Okay, let's stick in our next website. I'm going to copy and paste it in here. This is at mapsplanet.fuberlin.de. Let's go in and check it out. So we looked at the orbiters and how they take pictures of Mars. This is a cool site where they're taking all those different pictures and stitching them together, kind of like what we did with our little pictures. Check it out. We can see the whole planet of Mars in all the different pictures. So let's get down first and check it out. You can zoom in and out, and as you do, you need to wait just a little bit and let your camera come into focus and give you a better resolution. Oh, look at that. You can see a lot of the detail on the surface of Mars. Now zoom it out a little bit. And you can see there are different ones. This one's light colored, and then there's a dark gray colored. Let's zoom in and see what that's like. Well, that's giving us some pretty good detail on there. And then, of course, the colored one. Now, we learned about the colored maps being an elevation map, kind of like an elevator. And you can see it lets us see a little bit more clearly about the elevation. Let's go over here and check out some of these big craters and see if that makes a difference looking at it in black and white or with the elevation map. I think you can see a little bit more clearly. Over here is blue and a little bit deeper. And that's pretty cool. You can go and take a look all around the map and explore. Again, we've got some brown ones in here as well, and you can see there's been different areas where they've been taking a closer look. So as we go in here, you can see this is one that they looked a little bit more closely at, as well as some really cool features. Okay, everybody, I'm sticking those that website down in the comments below, so make sure you hop on there if you're curious about it. See if you can hop onto there and find out where Perseverance and some of the others are. Have fun. We'll see you soon.